But watch this, watch this, watch this. You hear your father maybe from another room. He's 3 rooms away, right? I want to see the face. Alex, look at the face. Can you see his face in there?
Yeah.
From 3 rooms away. All right, I wouldn't be so ego in them. You watch this. 3 rooms away, okay, you hear your mother laughing, joking, playing. Laugh, laugh, laugh. You hear this. Your father's footsteps. You recognize your father's footsteps.
Dad.
You recognize your father's pathology before he's even in camera shy, before he's even anywhere near the room. Right? Do that again. You're thinking of something totally else. You're thinking about a great time. You're going to go wherever the case of you may be with your boyfriend. You hear your mother. You're thinking about other things. Blah 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 blah. Going to the clubs. Blah 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 blah
And,
blah. You know, suddenly from a distance, you recognize. Now he's not in the picture yet. 3 rooms away. You recognize the footsteps of your father. You start to react because you don't like those footsteps. He's not in the picture yet. You don't like those footsteps. Tension builds until he's in the camera. You know what I mean? It's not like you usually hear the footsteps before they're in the camera. They're really, because you know it's the same shit over and over again with him. It's not like it's that dead. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
You know, and
Dad.
don't ever call me that again.
Dad, what are you talking about? What did I do now?
Not bad enough that you're into all that flagrant show-off stuff.
What are you talking about?
I said don't ever call me that.
Action. Okay, you want?
Dad.
Don't ever call me that again.
Dad, what are you talking about? What did I do now?